The CBS 46 Health News now. Georgia is ranked in the top 20 for infant mortality rates in the country, according to the CDC. The Atlanta Healthy Start Initiative is one of the many organizations dedicated to helping moms and their children. And joining me now is the CEO, Jamia Dorsey, and Program Manager, Natasha Worthy. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
So if you can explain the program.
Sure. Well, the Center for Black Women's Wellness, we're a local nonprofit organization. We've been around for nearly 30 years. And Atlanta Healthy Start has been one of our signature programs for much of that time. We're really focused on helping moms and babies thrive. We work and we do case management services, so we have women, many of them who've had dealt with teen pregnancy themselves, who've dealt with poor outcomes in the birth outcomes in the past. They have been trained to provide case management services and work alongside women to make sure that they're getting prenatal care, a variety of health and social services that they need to make sure that they are healthy during pregnancy and beyond pregnancy, and making sure that their babies are linked to very important pediatric services and other services to thrive. So that's what we've been doing in the community, and Natasha is our program manager and does a terrific job with the 500 women and infants that we case manage annually.
And Natasha, this is a free program,
It
right?
is, yes it is. So the woman has to be either pregnant or of childbearing age. We provide services to women until their child turns the age of 2.
Okay, so how can I get involved if I'm a mom that needs some help?
So you would just call the Center for Black Women's Wellness. We have family support workers there who will be able to provide moms with the service and enroll them in the program. But we also work with community agencies such as Grady Health System. They are one of our on-site recruitment agencies. So as moms go in and find out they're pregnant, then they're referred to provide to the Atlanta Healthy Start program for additional support.
And when you talk to these moms as they're going through the program, what are some of the things they're telling you in terms of the help that they're getting, how it's impacting their lives?
Well, we are really, really pleased to hear that moms who were in high school and thought that they weren't able to graduate from high school, they're able to do that now because they have the support of the family support worker. They have the support of the family support worker who provides them with linkages to daycare that will help them to continue their education.
And if you can, I spoke about the infant mortality rate earlier. Talk about that in Georgia and how big of an issue it is.
It's a really big issue because infant mortality simply means a baby that dies before their first year of life. And oftentimes what people don't realize is that most of this can be addressed by making sure women are healthy before they even think about getting pregnant. And I think that's one of the things that the community can rally behind and really help support women as we think about our own health, as we think about the health of our community, that we really think about going and getting our annual physicals.
Right.
And regardless of insurance status or income, we're a resource where women can come and they can get quality health care services. We think about healthy behaviors and stress management and fitness and healthy cooking because we want to make sure that women are healthy before they think about pregnancy. And so when you are pregnant, though, we understand that stress can play a major role. We understand that not getting adequate or early prenatal care is a major issue. And then, of course, women who've had poor birth outcomes in the past. If they've had a premature baby, if they've had a low birth weight baby, we want to definitely pay special attention to those women so that there's a piece that there's obviously the clinical care that's very important, but you'd be amazed at the social support that women really need to make sure that they have access to resources and that they get, the help that they need to have healthy babies.
Well, I just want to thank you guys for joining us this morning and telling us about the program. Thank you. Well, for more information on the programs as we discussed, you can head to our website, CBS46.com.